Hello guys, in today's Procreate tutorial, you will learn how to draw this minimal landscape illustration. I have created the color palette for you guys. You can enter the hex codes in the value option in your colors panel. Now let's get started. First, choose the monoline brush in calligraphy. Select this color in the palette. You should be on this layer. Let's try to draw a big circle and don't lift your pencil until you see the Edit Shape option pops up from the top. Click on it and choose the circle option. You can move it to the center and drag the color in the top right corner to fill it. Create a new layer, click on it and turn on Clipping Mask. Use the green color to draw a wave line. Close the shape to be able to fill it with color. Now let's reduce the size of the brush and draw a triangle shape for the tree. Draw a line and hold your pencil until you see it becomes a straight line. Now let's draw more trees. Add a new layer above the circle, it automatically becomes a clipping mask. Use the other green color to draw the wave line. Again, close the shape and fill it with color. And draw more trees. Create a new layer and draw the mountain. Close the shape and fill it. Here I need to refine the shape a little bit. Add another layer below this mountain, then draw another one. Go to Layers and click on the current layer. Choose Select. Now we need to create a new layer above and choose the orange color to draw the shadow side of the mountain. Draw along with the mountain edge and make sure the shape is closed. Then drag the color to fill it. Go to another mountain layer and click on Select. Add a new layer above and draw the shadow side of this one. Because of the selected area is just a mountain shape, so we only draw things within the mountain. Click on the icon here to cancel the selection. Now let's pick up the eraser tool and use the willow charcoal brush in charcoals to add textures. Let's gently erase the bottom part of the sheet. Select the layer of another one and do the same. Now go back to the mountain layer and turn on Alpha Lock. Use the same texture brush to draw a light shade. And go to another one, enable Alpha Lock and draw the shape. For the next step, let's add some texture and gradients. Turn on Alpha Lock for the tree layer. Select the green. Make sure you stay with the classic option. Drag the color picker to the top. Use this lighter green to draw the gradients for this layer. Now turn on Alpha Lock for the tree layer in the front. Select the last color in the palette and drag the picker to the bottom to make a darker green. Draw at the bottom to add the gradient. Let's create a new layer and draw the sun. Draw a small circle and hold, then go to Edit Shape and choose the circle option. You can change the size and position of it. Now enable Alpha Lock for the sun layer, and go to Color Panel and drag the picker to the left. Use the Willow charcoal brush to draw in the middle of the sun to add the texture. Finally, let's add a new layer to draw some clouds. Use the monoline brush and the same color for the mountains. Then use the eraser tool and the charcoal brush to soften the bottom line. Now we have finished it. Thanks guys, I hope this is helpful. Give it a like if you have enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.